It was Halloween night in the city, and everyone was excited. Costumes, candy, and spooky fun were everywhere. But this Halloween, something strange was happening.
Hey, Gwen. What's up?
Spidey, something spooky is going on near the pumpkin patch. There are pumpkins popping up on rooftops, spider webs everywhere, and weird lights flickering around.
Sounds like a job for your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Don't worry, I'll check it out. Whoa. Skeletons. Dancing? That's new.
Welcome, Spider-Man. We heard there's a ghostly figure around, stealing pumpkins and giving everyone a fright.
A ghostly figure, huh? Don't worry, I'll track them down. Thanks for the tip. And nice moves. Hey, stop right there. Where did they go? This mystery just got a little spookier. Alright, Spidey. You've faced villains, aliens, and giant lizards. What's a little haunted house, right?
Boo. Oh, hey, Spider-Man. Welcome to our Halloween party. Wait, you're friendly ghosts? Of course. We're just here to have some spooky fun. Would you like to join us? Sure. What kind of superhero would I be if I didn't join a ghostly party on Halloween? Hey, you're the one I saw earlier. Why were you carrying pumpkins around town? It's me, Spidey. I was setting up decorations and surprises for the town's Halloween festival, but I guess it looked a little too spooky. Huh? Haha. You sure did. Nice job on the spookiness, though. I thought I was chasing a real ghost.
And so Spider-Man and his new friends, the skeletons, ghosts, and even Miles, helped make this the best Halloween ever. Last time on our Halloween adventure, Spider-Man and his friends uncovered a few spooky surprises and solved the pumpkin mystery, or so they thought. But tonight, a new villain has entered the scene.
Well, Spider-Man, I see you found my little Halloween surprise. But the real fright is yet to come. Who's there? Show yourself. I am Jack-o'-lantern, the true spirit of Halloween fright. And these pumpkins belong to me now. I'll make sure this Halloween is unforgettable. And very, very spooky.
Spidey, he's taking all the pumpkins. Without them, the festival will be ruined.
Not on my watch. Jack, Halloween is about fun, not stealing. Alright, Jack, if you want to play the spooky game, let's play.
What? Stop that. You're ruining my plans.
Sorry, Jack. You're not going anywhere.
Guys, we need to work together. Skeletons, make as much noise as you can to distract him. Ghosts, do your spookiest tricks, and Miles, get those pumpkins back.
Fine. You win this time, Spider-Man. But I'll be back.
We'll be ready, but next time, maybe try enjoying Halloween with everyone instead of scaring them.
With teamwork and bravery, Spider-Man and his friends saved Halloween from the pumpkin thief. And as a surprise, Jack-o'-lantern decides to stay and join the festival, promising to only bring friendly frights from now on.